truths as they flow down. My songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor